Welcome back to Vantastic. We're at the skinny end of the competition. This is the first of the finals. We have 2 final races plus a grand final coming up in the next video. NZ Racing right in front of us. We can see who's racing tonight. What are your thoughts?
Oh, look at this lineup. 8 left out of 612 vans that started. And look at the mix you've got. You've got a token Aussie, you've got a DJ, a Sean Connery tribute van. How cool's that? A TV star with a mohawk, a lady driver, a dancer, a billionaire, he's wrapped his in gold, and a postie. Oh, this is going to be great tonight.
A great looking bunch of teams here. Let's have a look and see who's on the start grid first.
And first off the rank tonight, Bert Buzzard, the man himself, the token Aussie, driving the postie van snail mail for Cut Rock Racing. Good luck, Bert. Next to him, Cassie Johns, 100 Proof Racing, the Deadhead van with those amazing looking Punisher wheels. Give him hell.
Looking for a final spot. This is DJ Triple J. The builder is Power Drive Racing in Sheila. This one has black fires, and right alongside of him is Speedy G. The builder is G4 Diecast Racing in Gold Rush. Good luck, everyone.
Right, you know the drill. Turn off the lights, kick the mother-in-law outside with the significant other, but bring the dog inside, grab a drink, lock that door, turn the volume up, and cheer for your favourite van. We're going to be down to 4 soon. Let's go.
ANZ, looks like we have a tie here, mate. Casey Johns driving for 100 Proof. DJ Triple J for Power Drive Racing, both on 8 points. You know what this means? It means a sudden death.
Goldie looked in trouble at turn 1, but skills, bro. Came right. Good on ya. And Bert drove over the front end there of Triple J, which caused that massive slide, and I actually thought he was going to win like that. But he didn't.
Yeah, that was one crazy race. Now, let's have a look at this situation here. It's second versus third. Now, the rules do state the wheels have to be on the line. And let's just do a freeze frame here. DJ Triple J is all right. It's these next two. And you can see right there, Speedy G, he's got his wheels on the line before Bert Buzzard did.
This is actually a really close decision, with 100 proof only half a wheel nut away from actually going straight through to the finals. However, the steward's decision is final, and now it's 100 proof racing up against Power Drive Racing in a sudden death. One and done, first across the line advances, and since DJ Triple J finished first last race, he gets pole position. Good luck, guys.
Okay, NZ, let's head into sudden death. Well, there we go. What a sensational win there for DJ Triple J, driving for Power Drive Racing. Gets himself that spot in the grand final.
Well, I honestly thought Cassie had that. It was going to take it from DJ Triple J and be through to the final, but turn 2 was in the Chevy's favour by the looks. Absolutely gutted for your 100 proof.
Okay, NZ, let's head over to the final event for tonight.
And just like that, you've got the next 4 vans lined up, all fighting for 2 spots in the final. Jay Woodsy Woods from Lost Coast Racing, and this Johnny Lightning van is no slouch, so keep an eye on him. Next to him, the Sean Connery tribute van from Power Drive Racing, driven by Marianne.
These next 2 vans are built by 100 Proof Racing out of the USA. This is Mr. T. The name of the van is the A-Team, and this is weighing 100 grams. Driving for 100 Proof is Scorpio Love Smith and Free Hug Fridays. This one also weighs 100 grams. Good luck, everyone. Well, what a night of racing. This has been unbelievable. I was sure Mr. T was getting through. However, this was just not his race tonight. Looking at the replay here, he was in a good position right there, but unable to get through. And you can see Scorpio Love Smith driving for 100 proof, gets himself a spot.
You're not wrong, Hot Car Track. There's so many popular vans that have not gone through, and definitely a few tears shed over that, but hey, that's racing. Got to give it up for Power Drive Racing though. Out of all the vans that started in Vantastic, this team has got 2 vans in the grand final. How good's that? He's joined by 100 Proof Racing, and also G4 Diecast Racing. Also 2 great builders, 2 great looking vans. Can't wait for the grand final. Bring it on.
Okay, that's a wrap on the finals. Thank you to everyone that has contributed to this event. It has been a great success. Thank you to NZ Racing for being the co-host. And our last video for Vantastic 2021 will be the grand final. Stay tuned for that, coming up very soon. Until next time, catch you later.